Hello CMS students, this is the study plan according to yourself. Make your own plan. How to study the CMA profession, crack this profession and make your career into great heights. So let's begin in this video. So if you're new to channel, please like, share, subscribe and hit the like button and subscribe, hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's how to study the CMA study plan. So what the expert says, consistency is the key. 12 hours is it necessary to clear CMA profession? Now all questions answered. Please follow the true and for information about CMA. Don't trap any fake news channels. So let's watch this video from Dr. Nandip sir told about CMA profession. So watch the video completely. Thanks for watching.
Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Students, that this course of cost accountancy, this is a premier course, and the cost and management accountants, they play a pivotal role in the economy. So to get a success in this course, in the examination of cost accountancy, so you should obey some basic rules and principles. You should have that perseverance and hard working. There is no shortcut in this route, and you should be able to study along at least 5-6 hours regularly. As you know, in every semester we have 6 months duration of course, and after that you have to give exam. So students, you should have a regular study of 4-5 hours on a daily basis, regular basis, and you should have a plan, proper plan in your mind, so that you can frame your study and so that you can have your preparation for the ultimate success of the examination. As you know, the examinations are not at all very tough, but regular study, your regular problem solving and the theoretical aptitude, that is what needed. And for the final course of students, the case studies are most important, as we have implemented case studies in the finals of the examination. So thorough and a regular study is a must for the examination. As I belong to Research and Journal Directorate, so I should say something about our research and journal. So our journal is a prestigious journal, and which is circulated all over the globe. More than 50 years of its circulation as a premier journal in the field of cost and management accounting and finance, and the recent developments in finance and economics. So I should encourage the prospective students, they should read our journal. And our research team is a very strong team, and we are doing many socio-economic research throughout India for the benefit of the society and the nation. So students, I think now we are a bit aware about the curriculum and the course and how to prepare for the examination, for the success of the examination. I think you all be successful in your future endeavor as a cost and management accountant, a successful CMA who will not only be a careerist, who will be a nation builder in its future course of action.
So that's all for this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel for more updates. See, you're saying how the CMA profession is making good heights. So don't trap unnecessary. Study this regularly at your timetable as per your schedule. So that's all for see you in the video.